There's nothing better than coming home to a warm bowl of beef stew. And this crockpot version makes it so simple. It's one of my favorite comfort meals, and the best part is, it's freezer friendly. You can make it ahead for busy nights. I used about 1.5 pounds of stew beef, a small bag of baby carrots, 6 golden potatoes cut into cubes, 1 chopped onion, 2 packets of beef stew mix, and a 32-ounce container of beef stock. I started by adding the stew beef right into the crock pot, then layered in the potatoes, carrots, and onion. After that, I sprinkled in both packets of stew mix and poured the beef stock over everything. All that's left is to cover it up and let the crock pot do the work. I cooked mine on high for about 4 hours, and by the end, the beef was melt-in-your-mouth tender, and the veggies were perfectly cooked. This stew is also great for meal prep. You can bag everything up ahead of time, freeze it, and just dump it straight into the crock pot when you're ready. Serve it with some delicious cornbread, and you've got a cozy homemade dinner that feels like a hug in a bowl. Enjoy, y'all.